Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking key prerequisites so you can build immediately. Pick your speech-to-text, natural language service, and text-to-speech providers based on latency and cost. Once chosen, procure API keys, set up a project repo, and install SDKs for Node or Python. Configure a test microphone at 44.1 kHz and run a quick recording to confirm input. Then create a minimal script that sends audio to SDT and returns raw transcripts, so you can iterate fast. Once your basics work, integrate components into a real pipeline. Stream audio into SDT and forward transcripts to your NLU or intent engine. Use streaming to reduce round-trip latency. Make sure you manage context with rolling windows and token limits so responses stay relevant without exceeding model capacity. Implement TTS generation and seamless playback while handling silence detection to avoid overlaps. Also add retry logic for transient API errors and backpressure handling. When audio arrives faster than your pipeline you finish by deploying and validating the entire voice loop on target devices. Deploy where latency and cost align. Edge for low latency or cloud for scale, and run device tests across mobile and desktop, including low bandwidth cases. Monitor logs, API usage, and performance metrics, and implement key rotation and minimal logging for privacy. If audio stutters or responses lag, first check network jitter and API throttling. Then reduce chunk size, enable streaming, or add local buffering as your primary troubleshooting move.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.